welcome to the mix. And on the mix we have LA. Yes, so he's saying that the roads are in a deplorable condition, and because of that it's causing him and other road users to change their tires frequently, saying that the car is not the problem when you go to actually, because they want you to pass the cars to say that it's fast, it's fit for road use. But he's saying that the car is not the problem nowadays, it's the road. And he's imploring and asking the Prime Minister to send out his team to go and work on the road, because the roads are in a deplorable condition for users of the road. So go check out the video and please like, subscribe, and comment on the channel.
We shall have it, Timosha Manisha. Alright people, so you see, right now people, up on the road them. No. This country is messed up people. Now you see why the Emperor 100% have to take it over back. Fully. You understand? Until I scrabble out the bugs them. Now, yesterday people, day before yesterday people, because I drive the Chrysler people. 2 tires I have to change people, put on 2 brand new tires. 2 brand new tire people. Cost me $70,000. Plus you know you have to tip the local bridge in them where I put on the tire for you. You understand? So just $82,000 it cost me people. You understand? 2 tire people, 2 front tire people. Now yesterday again now people. I am driving in the rain people. And the tire them dropping on some old people. See, look at Kuya people. No. The tire them drop. A matter for the car dropping on old people. You know, so 22-inch rims people. 22-inch tire. And you know them flat people. Now, and then the drainage them no fix people. So the whole of the ball joint people are something, some hear some clank on the sound now people. And you know this is a Chrysler people. So you know so I don't know broke pocket money to cost me now people. So somebody have to pay for the thing. Yo Indian. So Andrew all these people, the Prime Minister have to pay for my front end people. I swear to God, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but him have to do it. The Prime Minister with him careless big nose self, I forgot pay. Listen me. From him come back from Buckingham Palace, I see him take off his mask. Andrew Wallace put on back your mask. When you did wear the mask, it wasn't bad. Because we know you have to hide the big nose Andrew Wallace. 7. What got with daddy? Yeah. Because all some of the place where force people to wear masks. Me telling you this. A piece of lawsuit going lick on this. And through most of the people them what make them force them to wear masks, I idiot. Now, look upon what the Queen. Long awaited funeral people. The Queen of England, long awaited funeral. Over 3.8 million people. Over 3.8 million people wented. People, not wented, because of millions of people, so them wented spiritually and physically. You understand? And not one of them have on a mask, people. Not one of them, and those are the billionaires. Those are the 1%ers mixed up with the 2%ers them. The Prime Minister of the what you call it now? The corporation of the Pope of Rome. Not one of them have on a mask. And those are the quadrillionaires, the billionaires, the thieves, them, the pirates, them, the killers, them, the rapers, them, the blood drinking people, them, the reptilian beings, them, and all of the hierarchy. Uncle, I wasn't there. I don't know why I wasn't there, because big nose, turnip nose, sweet pepper nose, Andrew Wellness, feel say, a man of the feel. Him knows say once me come, all spotlight to be on the Emperor. So bad mind, see people bad mind in this. Instead I'm glad for see me come at the Queen long awaited funeral. Them block me at the airport. Look at people. Cup on the road. Cup on the road. Now, When all of them patrol people, and plus not drainage not clean, and them get billions of dollars. Look at people. Up on the road. Look here. Look on the road. And mash up people car. And mash up people bus. And mash up people truck. No. You are going to tell a man now said, if him have a look wheel, one end wheel just look a bit, yeah, my family, we half. You tell a man same car not fit for drive on the road. Them road are not fit for car drive on. Look here. Press the pit, look there, ditch. Look there people. I have pay tax money. Yeah, my family. Look here. Yeah, if you wonder which one of the wall for drop in. Look here. Look here people. Yeah, if you wonder which wall you're going to drop in. Surfer. Get up on the road. I have to wonder which patrol you're going to drop in. Look here. Look here. And a billions of dollars. And every time them come, them fix the pipe in the road. Then them come again tomorrow, dig up the road, so them fix pipe again. Then them fix the road, the pipe. One day them say them build new road. And them make a $250 billion with a road. Now we see the Prime Minister come and say him run new pipe. But him not run it underground, him run it on top of the ground. The corporate Prime Minister, food Prime Minister, wasting billions and trillions of dollars of money. And I work the people in for cheap labor. They talk my mind, you know, because I January the 14th. Now look here. Right at the stoplight, people. Look here. Look here. That precipice is enough. Precipice. You have to wonder which one of the whole them for dropping up. You cannot avoid the whole them people. You have to say, alright, drop in the wall here, or drop in the wall here. Alright. The wall might lick up my ball joint, but the wall here over here so sharp. The one might bust my tire them. Alright, the one might lick out the CV joint. Or the one of the shocks them not too good for going to the one. Alright, better I'm going to the one what might bust the tire. People, a 2 brand new tire I put on yesterday because Andrew Wellness ditch them. Andrew Wellness road precipitate them. Bust up my tire, people. You believe true, I can afford it, I feel good. Because them money the people should have gone buy push them. So some fruits and some vegetables and something are by the homeless people them what we cook for and they take care of some food. The homeless people them should look at people me wonder which one see that which one me going on. You can't skip the whole them people. I mean enough of the people are hypocrite.